New in 3.6, we've put a lot of effort into redoing the find to make it easier to use in larger models. Let me show you some examples. So let's say I want to go through this model and I want to find all of the policies in it. I can do exactly what I used to be able to do by looking for the word policy, selecting, and then using Shift Select or Control Select to grab a bunch of variables, which in this case are all of the policy variables in this model. I can then go to the documentation tag, and using the new tag feature, I can mark all of these variables as policies. So now I no longer need to look for policies in the find that way. I can go ahead and look for all of the variables tagged with the word policy. But more than just tagging, we've made some additional changes to the find that can be quite helpful when you're looking through very large models. And they're all down here in the limit results too. Some of the new ones are, for instance, the ability to find all of the constants in your model. This can be real helpful when you're looking for all of the assumptions that you've made in your model. Likewise, we've added the opposite of constants, which is non-constants, things that have an equation. In addition, we've added a new feature which is helpful for those of you who are looking to eliminate dead parts of your model, essentially parts of your model that aren't used elsewhere. If I check off unused here, I can then go ahead and click on any of these variables, and it'll show you that, for instance, this cumulative deviations of energy balance from 1 isn't actually used anywhere in this model. By unused, we mean it isn't used in a sensitivity analysis, it isn't used in a payoff or an optimization, it's not in any graphs or tables or anything like that. This is just a piece of structure that can be removed without harming the model at all.